Yo, what's up guys? Really2 here. Sorry I haven't uploaded for a week. I've been really busy. But I will be making more upcoming Fortnite videos and stuff, like challenges, etc. But in this video, I'm showing you guys this app called Pocket Flip. It's basically just an app where you make money by downloading apps. Not only that, but you get like a whole bunch of points. Like the noodles, you get 240 points for a free install run. Portal Quest 1100 for achieve level 10 on that game. And down here, the Vikings War Clans. All you gotta do is just loading. I think it says something about like getting your base to level 10, but you get 6,530 points. I'm not sure how long it'll take. It'll probably take about like an hour, but I mean it's not that bad. Okay, don't say the description, but get 6,530 points. So basically, let's go down to the rewards. That's about $5. So that's almost $10. That's almost $10 right here. 6,800. All you need to do is just like download one more app and you get $10. I'm not sure how long, probably like an hour, but pretty much you could get up to $10 an hour, $5 an hour, whatever. But yeah, it's pretty fast. I just downloaded this app, even though I have 0 points. I got like $5. So basically, what I'm gonna do is buy my battle pass. I mean, this is a good way to get your battle pass too. If you don't have any money, get your battle pass, headphones, etc. But if you guys see this, download this app because it's a good opportunity. 6,000, that's easy. Probably take about like an hour or two, but it's worth the $10. Like, if you're just tired of sitting around being broke and stuff, or if you need like a headphones, good. And invite your friends, get 1,000 points. Like, I'll get 1,000 points and you get 1,000 points. So basically, it says send your friends a discount code for Pocket Flip gift cards. So once you guys get enough points for like a gift card, like a $5, which is 4,400 points, you get 100 coins off your first one when you enter it. So my discount code is AWGPDH476. So you get 100 coins off your first gift card when you enter it, and I'll earn up to like 100 coins together with you. So basically, I'll get like 50% of the credits you earn, but you get like more points to me since you get like 1,000 when you sign up, which isn't that bad. I mean, I didn't get that, so it's pretty good, a good opportunity. I mean, it's easy. I mean, you can make like $20 an hour. Heck, you could probably make like $100 a day if you like do this all day or if you share with your friends. So thank you for watching the video. Remember, I'm gonna put the link and my codes down below in the description so you guys could use it. But use it though, because you get 1,000 coins upon when you sign up. I mean, I don't think I get 1,000 points, but I get like 100 points with you. So you get 1,000, I get 100, like off your 50% of your reward. So it's not that bad, and you get 100 coins off your first gift card. So basically, you just keep your 100 points. So that's not bad. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.